Hello guys, good afternoon. Okay, so I just want to quickly share with you guys my trade view on some assets for this week. Okay, so starting with gold on the 4 hours time frame, we can see that price is actually is forming a rising flag pattern. Okay, so what I'm looking out for gold is for price to break out of this pattern and then drop down to this area of interest, and then once we spot a reversal pattern within this area of interest, we take our buy trade and use this smaller orange area as take profit. Okay, so this is actually what I'm looking out for to do on gold for this week on the 4 hours time frame. All right. So the next asset I'm going to look into here is Gbp USD. Now, Gbb USD on the 4 hours time frame, I was actually expecting price to, shoot up earlier this morning. I was expecting price to go up to this area before we sell. Okay, so but price dropped up from this area and then tested my first area of interest. So, I it is almost past my trading time, so I would be ignoring this area of interest. Okay, so what I'll be looking out for. So all the same, if I can spot a reversal price pattern, London open tomorrow, I will be looking out for a buy around this area. Now, if this area doesn't hold price, we'll be looking out to buy GBP USD from this blue area of interest. And for me, this is my major area of interest for this week. Okay, so that does it for GBP USD on the 4 hours time frame. Now, USD Jpy, my network is poor. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? UJ is not coming up. Okay. Euro AUD. Okay, I did a video on Euro AUD earlier this week. Or I think sometimes last week on Saturday or so or Sunday. We were looking out for price to drop down to this area and we buy from this point. Okay, so as you can see, price dropped to this area, rejected, just as I explained in the video, rejected and currently buying. So this is actually where we are heading to. We're looking at to take our profit from this area, from the 1.6 triple zero or so to 1.6 four zeros. That's going to be our take profit for this setup on Euro AUD. Okay. What else? What else? What else? Gbb Jpy. This is a very wonderful trade. Okay, I called out this trade earlier this week. Also, if you check my previous videos that I posted earlier this week, or rather earlier today, uh, we had this wonderful setup on JPY. We're waiting for price to get into the MPL and we sell from here. Okay, so currently price has gotten to our first take profit. So what I'm looking out for on GBP JPY is for price to retrace down back to this low. Okay, so once price retrace back to this to the low of the Quasimodo or the QM pattern and reject around this area, I will be looking out for an entry to drive, to sell price down to the to our second take profit. So this is actually what I'm looking out for on GBP. So let me look out. I don't know what is going on with USD JPY. It's not coming up. It's not coming up. We have a setup on USD JPY. I don't know why it's not coming up. All right, so I'll have to end this video, and most likely once I am able to rectify the issue with USD JPY, I will have to, create a separate video for that. So this is what I'm looking out for this week. Thank you guys for your time.